I just wanted to thank you so much for the information you shared on the national forest. And I love that you incorporated how, though it may not affect us now, even though we all know it is in some way, shape, or form, that the major effect is going to be seen by generations to come. And by not addressing climate change as it is now, we're running the high risk of our children and our children's children not being able to enjoy those national parks that we have come to know and love. I think it's an important issue. While it's affecting humans, it's also affecting wildlife and various ecosystems. So, fantastic subject to touch base on. I'm really glad that you brought it to the attention. And you're right, when we think of climate change, most of the communication we have nowadays are focusing on just, polar bears. You're absolutely right. We've seen countless of them, but we see them as cute, cuddly things, not the desperate and diseased, thin, and dying species that they've now become. So, great topic. Fantastic job on presenting it, and thank you so much for your time.